here it is. Nobody's seen it. It's been a year in the making. We're standing in the office. We're standing in what's going to be the little testing lab. I don't think anything quite like this has been done for this particular application, but we've got a 3-floor, including the basement. We've got 3 floors here to be able to test biohacking equipment, to be able to figure out strategies to do longevity protocols, things like that, test a whole bunch of stuff. We've got a great view, but this office is pretty much dedicated to, this whole building is dedicated to biohacking, longevity strategies, learning and implementing protocols, testing products, basically doing everything that I've been doing for years, but having a dedicated space built out to do it. I haven't shared much on this, but this is a year in the making. This time last year, Aaron came up and we basically are standing where there was trees. We dug a 30 by 30 hole in the ground, about 10 feet deep with an excavator, put in a ICF basement to have climate controlled testing down there as well. And so we'll be able to do everything from product testing, product reviews, video production, and then also have in-house and third-party people come and work here. Also be able to do, if we want, retreats here, bring a small group of people, a couple times a year, take them out into the beautiful mountains of Maine. Depending on the climate, what we want to put them through, we could do it dead of winter. That would be interesting. We'll be like my grandfather. He was a paratrooper, used to jump behind enemy lines with skis on, which was a rather interesting idea. But anyway, just wanted to give you a sneak preview of this space. A lot of times people don't see what goes on behind the scenes. A lot of times people think, it's not like an actual studio, but we are building one from the ground up specifically for this. 100% committed to the future, 100% committed to finding better stuff for myself, sharing it with other people, doing what we've always been doing for the last 5 years, but taking it to another level now. This will give us the ability to expand, have a team, bring other people in, and then also, like I say, show and teach other people how to do the same thing, right? That's one of the pieces that have been missing. You kind of need a facility in order to do that. What I'm standing in here is going to be the clean room. We've got other videos that talk about EMF mitigation strategies, how we're building this structure with shielded circuits so that when you do bring products in, when you do test biohacking products, you basically have a clean control room in order to not have any interference with the outside world. We are in a remote location, so half of that job is done for us because we're in the forest. You don't have to worry about your neighbor's Wi-Fi or there's a cell tower right over there. There's not really any cell service here. There's some, but you're not getting constant pinging that interferes with testing videos, or if you do have something like that in the environment, it's because yourself or someone else brought it in. I'm looking at this guy right here, but he's not laughing. So we've got shielded circuits here. We might have lead back drywall. We'll have an actual testing bench and facility. We've got a few other things here, red light therapy wall. We've got drops with mounts going in from the ceiling. These are 2x10s on a 12-inch center, so we'll plate this out. And we'll also have a mounting system so we can hang basically anything you want, red light therapy testing. What's high on my list right now, I keep talking about it, is those sleep cooling systems and some of the smart sleep systems. I'm a person that sleeps with no Wi-Fi and things like that. I've been taught and shown and advised by functional medicine doctors for many years based on my prior health conditions that it would be advisable not to sleep in an area that has constant pinging on the nervous system. I understand this is pretty extreme for a lot of people, but as a leukemia survivor, when I got out of the hospital, I've been coming up here since I was a kid. This is my grandparents' compound basically, and my time up here shaped the person that I am today. I wouldn't be the version of me that I am if it wasn't for my time here. So I thought this was the perfect place to come and build this, perfect place to kind of honor them, and then also take the next step, be fully committed. Looking forward to sharing it with you.